So papunta kami downtown. Hatid ko man na yung anak ko kasi malilate na siya pag nagbabas. Maaga kasi yung pasok niya, 8 o'clock. So ganitong oras guys, mag-8 na, matraffic na rin. Bye, love.
Bye, Papa.
Okay, take care. Call me later, okay? When you go home, okay? Bye. Hey. Ulan, siguro biglang umulan eh. Siguro hanggang buong araw to, yun ang sabi sa forecast.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for?
Ready to cook. Alright, so kailangan din natin maging healthy sa pagkain, exercise konti. So hindi yung puro trabaho lang tayo, then napabayaan na natin yung sarili natin. So ito yung mahalaga sa katawan natin, guys. At saka iwasan din natin yung may stress tayo. Number 1 killer ang stress. Then konting diet. That's it, guys. See you soon.